Question: what can you do to make your artwork better? The answer is get the values and the contrast correctly. So today in this video I'm going to be explaining what these are. Hello and welcome. So I believe if you get a grasp of the concept of values and contrast and apply them while you're drawing, I am very sure that it is going to enhance your artwork and take it to the next level. So what is value? Value simply refers to how dark or light an object or an area is. And the reason why values are important in drawing is because it helps create the illusion of 3D shapes within a two-dimensional paper or a canvas. For example, this is a circle which is flat like a CD, and then by adding some more dark values at correct spots, the same flat circle appears to be a 3D sphere or a ball, and then by adding some more values we can create a sense of surrounding. In landscape also, the values help create depth, which basically means it shows the viewer which object is far away and which object is close to the eye. In this watercolor painting, you can see how dark values are used to represent something which is near the eye, and lighter values are used to represent distant hills. And the next thing that I wanted to talk about is contrast. Contrast means the difference between a darker and a lighter value. For better understanding, I have made this value chart, and I will be numbering the darkest value as 10 and the lightest value as 1. So this becomes 2. If we look at value number 1 and value number 2 side by side, for example here, this is value number 1 and value number 2 side by side, we can say that this is the lighter value and this is the darker value. But when we talk about contrast, we can say that this is low contrast, because as I said, contrast is the difference between the darker and the lighter value. So here the difference between the two values becomes 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Now if I place value number 9 and value number 10 side by side, this again becomes low contrast because the difference between the two values is again 1. So this is low contrast, this too is low contrast. But now as you can see, if I place value number 1 and value number 10 side by side, the difference between the two values becomes 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So this becomes high contrast. Now these two drawings are exactly same in terms of placement of values. The difference is in the contrast. The drawing to the left has high contrast and the drawing to the right has low contrast. You can either make a high contrast or a low contrast drawing depending upon your choice or what effect you want to create. Now you must be thinking value and contrast to समझ में आ गया, how to apply them while drawing. So here's the thing. If in your reference you find that the level of darkness is 10, that is the value number that I used earlier, make sure your artwork also has the same level of darkness. If in your reference you see that the contrast is 10 minus 1, that is high contrast, then make sure that your artwork also has the same level of contrast. Another thing is, for making a high contrast drawing, you can use a charcoal pencil, and for making a low contrast drawing, you can use a normal graphite pencil. So that's it for today. I hope I was able to explain and make you understand the concept of values and contrast. I will be sharing more of these ideas, so do watch my upcoming videos and also my past videos. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel. Like, share, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So till then, have a great day, stay safe, get vaccinated, and goodbye.